So we've talked about the process by which eukaryotic cells divide following interphase and mitosis. Now let's talk about bacteria or prokaryotic cells. You need to be able to describe the process of binary fission. Binary fission is just the term for bacterial cell replication. Just a fancy name. The thing that you need to understand here is that there's one singular origin of replication, which just means where is replication going to begin on a circular chromosome. You have to imagine this is a circle, so there's got to be a spot at where replication begins, and then at the same spot it needs to end in order to make two circles where there once was one. You're going to see here two copies of the origin. It's real important that you take note of that in the picture, and then you're going to see that the chromosome actually replicates all the way until there's two circular chromosomes at the end of binary fission, or the replication of chromosomes within bacteria. The bacteria, just like a eukaryotic cell, will duplicate everything else, all of its limited organelles. I think it just has mitochondria. Sorry, it doesn't. It has ribosomes, as well as a bunch of enzymes and stuff that exist within its cytosol. And the bacteria will actually get bigger, and then it will divide into two. And you can see that process occurring right here. Take a look at the green down here. This was the original origin of replication, which has now been duplicated. Let's watch a movie on how this actually takes place.
The genetic information in a bacterial cell is stored in the form of a double-stranded, covalently closed circle of DNA. Replication begins at a specific site called the origin. The origin replicates, and then DNA replication proceeds in two directions. The two original strands, shown as solid lines, serve as the templates for synthesis of new strands, shown as dotted lines. This is referred to as semi-conservative replication.
So we've just learned about bidirectional DNA replication, which occurs in binary fission. Make sure that you try to answer this question for tomorrow. Why don't prokaryotic cells need to go through the same cycle as eukaryotic cells? Thanks. Make sure that you answer this objective.